my memory gets very blurry. Like, I don't know if I fell asleep. I don't know if I was hypnotized. I don't know if my memory is just foggy because it's just like a boring hearing test and so I forgot. But right at this point where I'm like going into the ocean waves and I'm thinking, wow, I'm going to do really good at this test. There's this tone in one ear, there's a tone in the other, there's a guy narrating, and then he's describing different types of noise. And I remember him saying this is like a pink noise and describing a sound as a color. I have really vividly have that memory, like this is a pink sound or pink noise. And then it was like this sound. And then after that, I legit do not remember like if I fell asleep with the headphones on or what was going on.
I was watching this video this morning and my brain got to going. I was in gifted and talented classes and I remember taking those tests. It was more than once or twice. And I distinctly remember hearing the different tones go from one side to the other. But geez, what were they doing to us? Now knowing what frequencies and tones, they can change your DNA strands. Were they programming us? Or what were they doing? Did our parents really know? And is this the reason why we have so many ailments and diseases?